Hey everyone, Dr. Skylar Baku here, and in this video I really want to talk about the joints, okay, and the joint supplements, okay? So for most people on the planet who get joint pain, they just throw down some aspirin or Tylenol or ibuprofen, on a daily basis, and this works fine to, alleviate the pain as long as we're using it sparingly, right? Or are we? So using these NSAIDs, the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like Advil and ibuprofen, they regularly often lead to trouble like gastrointestinal bleeding, and even liver and kidney damage, okay? So they know that if we've been using regular NSAIDs on a regular basis, it's not a matter of if, but just when we're going to get kidney failure in the future. So let's talk about a better alternative for joint pain, okay, and better joint pain correction and joint pain management. Okay, so here's how it works. When you take glucosamine supplements, the body will convert it into chondroitin sulfate. If you have all the required nutrients present and there's no other problems going on. So the body will then take that chondroitin sulfate, convert it into collagen. And the collagen will help repair your ligaments and cartilage and restore elasticity to your tissues, including your joints. Okay, all wrinkle creams have collagen in them, the good ones anyway. Okay, so the problem here is often that people are missing the minerals and vitamins necessary for that conversion of the glucosamine into the chondroitin sulfate. So if you've already tried glucosamine or chondroitin product, and didn't see much change, it's probably for those reasons. It's also possible you just didn't even take enough. So another factor to consider is that things like steroids, cortisone use, corticosteroids, NSAIDs, infections, even trauma, all these things, they reduce your body's production of chondroitin sulfate for your joints. So to avoid all those issues with converting glucosamine into chondroitin sulfate, we just use purified chondroitin sulfates from Biotics Research. So personally, I like that product. It absorbs better. You just skip the conversion of glucosamine completely, and you just go right with the purified chondroitin sulfate, and it's absorbed at a rate of 90% compared to most other chondroitin sulfate products on the market that are not only, they're only absorbed at like 5 to 6%. Likely some of those ones you're looking at or buying, at the store. Okay, so it's just the product we're using, that purified chondroitin sulfate. It's just a superior product clinically, and even in several human trials, it performed better at joint pain relief than medical like drug treatments for anti-inflammatory. Okay, so you'll need to take a fair amount to get the job done. 1 or 2 grams by mouth daily, will give us a good clinical, response. But less pure forms, you probably have to take up to like 10 grams a day to just achieve the same clinical response. That's a lot of pills and a lot of money. Okay, so the purified form of chondroitin sulfate from Biotics, it also improves cardiovascular health by repairing damage to the lining of your arteries. It also increases production of an enzyme in the body that lowers cholesterol and triglycerides, and it reduces the risk of blood clot formation. So, and it also is shown to reduce the risk of hardening of the arteries. So, pretty impressive stuff. I like it. We're starting to take it regularly now. And perhaps, if you're already taking chondroitin sulfate supplement, maybe look at getting a better product that's going to give you a little better bang for your buck, one that's actually going to be absorbable and work superior for you. So even if you tried chondroitin sulfate in the past and it didn't work for you, maybe think about trying this product and see if we can get even better results. So thanks so much for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. Name is Dr. Skylar Baku from Baku Chiropractic and Functional Medicine. Our number is 720-998-7956.